look cute. I look cute. But I look cute. Woo! People, welcome. My name is Bongah, and you, my dear darlings, have tuned in to Life with Bongah Alora. For those who do not know me or who are seeing this face for the first time, hey, hi, my name is Bongah. I go by Bongah_Alora on all social media platforms. If you are a returning sub, it's good to see you back, chomam. So I just came back from a gym, took a bath and went back to sleep, and I must say I'm very much excited to be back to exercising, like to be back to the gym and all that. I'm just so excited. I've not been at the gym for the longest time. I was really not allowed to like be doing heavy things, running, so to avoid not being injured. So I was in a car accident about a few weeks back. Was not hurt, but I did experience out of a fracture, if I might say, even if that is even the correct word, on both my legs. Hence I was not allowed to like be doing heavy things, going to the gym and all that. And it was kind of a very difficult time for me because I'm one person who is using the gym to get over things, to get over fears, to get over stress. It's just one of the things I can say it is essential for my wellness. So during a tough time in my life, during the time whereby a lot of things were going south, I really needed like that time where I could just hit a gym for a moment, just feel myself. But yeah, I just had to follow the rules, and the hardest thing was having to rely on people around me for a lot of things, like for expression, for crying and all of those things. I'm one person who just used the gym to get over things, get over like everything. So I am not complaining. I'm very much grateful for all of them who were like involved in my getting better journey, like specifically my dad, my little sis Wendy, and my partner. I'm very much grateful to them. It's just that, you know, when you are used to being the bigger person, when you're used to being like the bigger sister, being used to that part with him, your little sisters or little brothers comes to cry to you, come to like express to you, when it's your time to express, when it's your time to get a shoulder to cry on, you kind of feel like you are letting them down. You kind of feel like you are owing them to be strong, and hence that was one thing I was very much going through. But then we fine now, we're good to go, we excited to be back to normal, we very much excited to be back to living a normal life. I am back to like exercising and yeah, pretty much back to every aspect of my life. So enough with this rambling and venting. I think I'm just gonna wake up, go to do something to eat, then go and collect my order, and then pause by Mr. Price to buy blending sponges, then Clicks or Discam for concealers. What else am I planning to do today? What else am I planning to do? Hey, I'm not sure what else. We'll just see how the day pretty much goes.
giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
So I'm done getting ready. I decided to go with all black today because I just feel all black. So let me quickly show you my drip check, and then we go. I'm trying to mount my phone on this longer tripod. Yeah, I think it's stable now. So yeah, I am wearing this short tights from Identity. I bought them a while back at Identity, yes. And then I'm pairing it with this black crop top from the Fix, and layering it up with this blazer dress from the Fix, and with this bag from Shein. So I'm literally in all black today, and I look cute. I look cute. But I look cute. We look cute, so off we go.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
So from Mr. Price, I did get a pack of 4 blending sponges which were on sale for 30 rand. Like, just that level of luck. I was actually looking for blending sponges. I then got this lip combo. It's a nude lip combo, and bathing gloves. Mine are kinda old. So I just came back. It's pretty late. I think the time now is about past 4. And the lighting is a bit boring, I must say, but we moved. So I pretty much got everything I was talking about from Mr. Price and Clicks. Did get 2 concealers at Clicks and the blending sponges at Mr. Price. They were actually on sale for 30 rands. I did get bathing gloves and a lip combo, which I still want to try because it looks too bright, but don't judge a book by its cover, so they say. So now coming to my order. So my order is from Avon. I did order a number of things. First thing first was this set of a perfume, hand lotion, and this mini perfume to carry around inside your bag. So this is pretty much the only like perfume I fell in love with Avon, like since from a young age. So this is pretty much my everyday perfume. I do have the other one that is Papal. I think it's Aurora or something like that. But the reason why it's still full, it's because I do not really love that perfume much. I did see a new one roaming around Instagram a few days back. I am gonna try that one, but for now, 4 years I've been loving this one. So it can perfume, the hand lotion, and these mini perfume. I'm so in love with how it smells. Like, I'm pretty much so in love with how it smells. It has a little bit of vanilla there, like it pretty much smells so good. But then I must say, it doesn't really last a long day. Like, it just doesn't. But I love it in a way. I do not mind refilling it like respraying it now and then, as long as I love it. So another thing I got are these perfume. This is Avon Luck. For him, I got them for my boyfriend, like just to say thank you. And again, it was his birthday on the 25th of April. I didn't get him anything, which is really not good, because coming my birthday I'm gonna be expecting something. So yeah, it comes as 2 perfumes and a deodorant. So I do not know how it smells. I only tried it on that thing from Avon, from the book. So he will tell me or review it after I send it to him. But yeah, for now this is pretty much the things I ordered for Avon. So yeah, is there anything else? Add-ons? No. Is there anything I think I'll do?
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Hey guys, welcome to yet another day of the vlog. So today I am going to Vernahen to fetch my license, to collect my license actually. So on the 1st of March I did test pass my license, and I did get a temporary license which I only used 1 week twice, because a week after that, that's when I was involved on the car accident. Then yeah, everything got very much hectic. But yesterday I did get a message to go and collect my license, hence I am going to Vernahen to collect one, since it's an official driver. Like, we are no longer running away from the cops, like. So yeah, let me quickly get ready and be off to Vernahen. So we are done getting ready. I am wearing a white tee, leather jacket with blue demons and white sneakers. I am gonna leave a pic of how I look somewhere around the screen. Do excuse the noise, they are fixing tiles somewhere. So yeah, we are ready. Do excuse the wig, it is not flattering. There is no electricity, so we can't use a hot comb, we can't use a hair dryer, but trust me, it is better than what beneath the wig. That is for sure. It is way better than what's beneath it. So yeah, let us get going. Like, come with me, we ready to go. Oh, happy day. Oh, happy day. That's an election. Some driver, a whole driver. Oh, happy day, guys. We are here. See, sing anyway. Don't even think of it. Oh, happy day. There's so much I need today. I surrender. I'm so tired. Like, I'm literally tired. I surrender to thee.